Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We use only the best quality materials. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110